Bangki Jawa Bali Corporation is a subsidiary company of PLN, which is established to meet and supply the electricity needs in Java and Bali. Initially, PGB Corporation was only a power generator business with 6 electricity power stations, which are Gresik Power Station, Peyton Power Station, Muara Karang Power Station, Muara Tawar Power Station, Cirata Power Station, and Brantas Power Station. Recently, PGB Corporation has developed other diverse business related to power station. They are operation and maintenance power station service, engineer, procurement, and contractor, power plant consultant and training of power plant management, education and training of renewable energy, and stockist. PGB Corporation have a vision to become the best power plant asset management company in Indonesia. To realize this vision, PGB Corporation implements some strategies and action. Those are improving performance continuously through the implementation of corporate governance and synergy generation business partner with best practice method and environmental friendly. Developing human resource capacity and capability that has the technical competence and managerial excellence and business-minded. Implementing various best practice management systems like Quality Management ISO 9000, Environment Management ISO 14000, and Health Safety Environment OHSAS 18000. Also, in order to realize the vision, PGB Corporation have to prepare themselves to meet Indonesia's electricity production target, which reaches up to 35,000 MW. This is a great opportunity for PGB Corporation. Strategies and actions that should be done are: first, planning a joint venture with trusted partner in order to build facilities of power plant. Second one, expanding necessary means evenly throughout the territory of Indonesia. The third one, implementing lean manufacturing in the production process.